Spraying gold particles on the heart may help cure cardiovascular disease. That in a report at Study Finds, where we invite you to like and subscribe for the latest information. Well, perhaps Neil Young was onto something, searching for a heart of gold, but this sounds expensive. But it may be the ticket to a longer life. Researchers at the University of Ottawa have created a gold spray which can repair a damaged heart and may one day help treat cases of cardiovascular disease. This innovative technique sprays extremely tiny particles of gold and peptides on a patient's heart. From there, the customized nanoparticles help restore both heart function and the electrical conductivity of the organ. During minimally invasive surgeries on mice, researchers sprayed the animals' hearts with low concentrations of peptide-modified gold particles. The nozzle they used to carry out this procedure evenly painted their tiny little mouse hearts in seconds. In this experiment, researchers modified the gold nanoparticles with peptides, short chains of amino acids. The spray-on therapy increased cardiac function and electrical conductivity in the mouse hearts. Moreover, the team found that the gold did not leach into any other organs. Dr. Emilio Alarcon and his team believe the technology could one day become part of the process doctors go through during coronary artery bypass surgery. The doctor adds that results show their spray-on nanotherapeutic is highly effective. Additionally, the team says applying the treatment is much simpler than regenerative treatments for a damaged heart. Researchers are now working to adapt their technology to work on larger animals, including rabbits and pigs. Check out more detail in the link in the description below on this and other studies at studyfinds.com.